Hello! In this video, I will explain you all the Roblox error codes in detail. Roblox error code 256 typically indicates a connection failure, often appearing as lost connection to the game server or occurring when the game itself is corrupted or undergoing maintenance. It can be resolved by checking your internet connection, restarting the Roblox app, ensuring firewalls are not blocking it, or waiting for developer updates. Roblox error code 260 is a common connection error, often displaying as "there was a problem receiving data, please reconnect," indicating a failure in communication between the user's device and the server. It is commonly caused by unstable internet, firewall restrictions, or on mobile devices, low memory issues. Roblox error code 261 typically indicates a network connectivity issue or a matchmaking loop where the client fails to connect to the game server. It often arises from unstable internet, firewall restrictions, or server-side issues. Fixes include restarting the app, checking internet stability, updating drivers, or clearing cache. Roblox error code 262, "there was a problem sending data, please reconnect," typically signifies a network connection failure or corrupted app files, preventing a proper connection to servers. Key fixes include checking internet stability, restarting the device, clearing Roblox cache/cookies, or reinstalling the application. Roblox error code 264, "same account launched from different device," occurs when you try to play on multiple devices simultaneously or rejoin too quickly after disconnecting, causing a session conflict. It is resolved by logging out of all other sessions in security settings, waiting a few minutes, or restarting the application. Roblox error code 266 signifies a connection timeout, usually caused by an unstable, slow, or restrictive internet connection. To resolve this, check your internet, restart the app, or switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection. Roblox error code 267 means you've been kicked from a game, usually by a script or anti-cheat system set up by the game's creator, often due to rule violations, suspicious activity like using unauthorized scripts, or even network issues. It's a game-specific ban, not a Roblox-wide one, and you can fix it by restarting, updating your app or browser, checking your connection, or contacting the developer, but sometimes it's just a server glitch or a legitimate game restriction. Roblox error code 268, "you have been kicked due to unexpected client behavior," usually indicates a temporary 30-minute to 3-hour ban caused by using exploits, cheats, unstable internet, or corrupted game files. Fixes include clearing app cache, reinstalling Roblox, restarting your device, or disabling VPNs. Roblox error code 273 usually means disconnected from the game, possibly due to the game joined from another device. It occurs when an account attempts to join a game while already logged in elsewhere due to improper session closure or during teleports. Fixes include signing out of all sessions, clearing cache, or changing your password. Roblox error code 275 indicates that a game server has been shut down for maintenance, or the experience has been deleted by developers or staff. It is a server-side issue, often appearing as "Roblox has shut down this game server for maintenance." Users should wait for the maintenance to finish or try joining a different server. Roblox error code 277 indicates a disconnection from the game server, usually caused by weak internet, router issues, or server-side problems. Fix it by checking the Roblox status page, restarting your router, switching from Wi-Fi to wired, clearing temporary cache files, or reinstalling the application. Roblox error code 278 indicates that you have been disconnected for being idle, AFK, for 20 minutes. It is a standard inactivity timeout designed to free up server space. To fix this, simply click the Reconnect button or log out and back in if the issue persists. Roblox error code 279 means your device failed to connect to the game server, usually due to network issues like a firewall, DNS problem, or VPN interference, but sometimes it's a temporary server glitch. To fix it, try basic steps like restarting your router, flushing DNS, ipconfig/flush DNS, reinstalling Roblox, or checking or disabling VPNs. If it persists, check status.roblox.com for server issues, as it's often an external problem, not a game bug. Roblox error code 280 indicates that the game client is outdated and failed to auto-update. The most effective solutions include restarting the computer, uninstalling and reinstalling the Roblox app, or clearing the Roblox cache files in %localappdata%Roblox. Roblox error code 282, "disconnected from game, please reconnect," usually signals network issues or problems with the game's server, often fixed by restarting your router, flushing DNS, resetting network settings like using Google DNS 8.8.8.8, temporarily disabling VPN/ad blockers, or waiting for a temporary server issue to resolve. It means your connection to the specific game dropped, so try basic troubleshooting steps first to restore that link. Roblox error code 285 signifies a client-initiated disconnect, usually caused by an unstable internet connection, server-side issues, or interference from VPN/firewalls. It often occurs when trying to join a server that is crashing or shutting down, or if the client fails to connect properly. Roblox error code 286 indicates that your mobile device, typically Android, has insufficient memory, RAM, or storage to run a specific experience, often accompanied by the message, "Your device does not have enough memory to run this experience." To fix it, try closing background apps, clearing the Roblox cache, updating the app, or restarting your device. Roblox error code 287 typically indicates that you have been disconnected from a game due to being idle or inactive for too long, often occurring around the 20-minute mark. It is a security feature to free up server space, but can also be caused by connection issues, a poor internet connection, or being banned by a developer. Roblox error code 291, player has been removed from the data model, means the server intentionally kicked you, usually due to script errors, high data usage, or game updates. It is a server-side issue, often appearing when a player is removed or destroyed by game code. Fixes include rejoining, updating your network, or clearing the Roblox cache. Roblox error code 292 is a low memory warning, indicating your mobile device, specifically iOS and Android, has insufficient RAM to run a game, risking a crash. To fix this, close background applications, lower in-game graphics quality, restart your device, or clear the app's cache. Roblox error code 403 indicates an authentication failure issue, meaning the server is denying access, often caused by VPN usage, suspended accounts, corrupted cache files, or firewall restrictions. To fix this, log out of your account, delete the appdata/local/Roblox folder, disable any VPNs, and reinstall the application. Roblox error code 524 means you lack permission to join a specific game or server, often due to privacy settings like content maturity or private server visibility, server being full/unavailable, or a temporary glitch. To fix it, adjust privacy settings, especially who can join me in experiences and visibility on private servers to everyone, check server status, try joining via the server list, restart the app/device, or update age settings on your account. Roblox error code 529 is a common HTTP error indicating that the game servers are overloaded, down for maintenance, or experiencing connection issues. It typically means the issue is on Roblox's end, often resolved by waiting for systems to stabilize. Roblox error code 769 usually means a failed teleport between games or areas, often due to network issues, overloaded servers, or firewall interference, but can also be a developer-side problem. To fix it, try basic troubleshooting like restarting your router, clearing Roblox's cache, running as an administrator, or adjusting firewall or DNS settings. If it's a game-specific issue, developers might need to enable allow third-party teleports in their game settings. Roblox error code 1000 is usually a fake in-game prank creepypasta designed to scare players, often in horror games like Start Survey, with messages about other devices or calling 911, and it's not a real system error. While some rare, genuine connection issues might coincide with a similar code, the notorious 1001 pop-up is a harmless meme. Just ignore it and continue playing, as it's part of the game's design and not a security threat to your account or device. That's all the most common error codes users experienced in Roblox. If you got errors other than this, comment below. Like and share and subscribe for more.